video is about 5 ways to detox and cleanse your kidney naturally. The kidney is one of the most essential organs in the body because it helps remove waste, maintains fluid balance, and filters minerals and toxins from the blood. To take care of your health, you must take care of your kidney. In this video, we are going to discuss 5 simple methods or ways to detox and cleanse your kidney naturally. If you are ready, let's get started. Number 1, stay hydrated. The importance of hydration cannot be overemphasized. As the saying goes, water is life. When you stay hydrated, you make it easy for your kidneys to remove waste products from your body in the form of urine. Your urine helps to indicate if you are dehydrated. If you urinate less than 4 times in a day, this may mean that you are not taking enough water. Your urine should be clear and slightly yellow in color. If it is dark yellow, it means you are dehydrated. So, increase your fluid intake. An average person takes about 8 glasses of water a day. It can be a little more or less depending on your weight, the weather, and your activity. What that means is that instead of counting the glasses of water you take a day, simply check the color and quantity of your urine to watch out for signs of dehydration. Other signs of dehydration may include headache, dry mouth. Take enough fluids until your urine becomes clear and amber in color. If you are carrying a catheter, your doctor will advise you to take plenty of water so that your urine will flow properly and your urine catheter will not get blocked. The importance of being hydrated cannot be overemphasized. Number 2, limit your sodium intake, salt intake. Consuming too much salt is not good at all for your kidneys. The recommended daily intake of salt or sodium is 2,300 mg per day, which is equivalent to a level teaspoon of salt per day. A high sodium in your diet increases the amount of calcium in your urine, and this increases your risk of forming kidney stones. Stones form in your kidney and your ureters, blocking urine from flowing properly. Sodium can also cause high blood pressure, damaging your arteries and veins that supply your kidney with blood, which can eventually and ultimately result in kidney failure. Reduce the amount of processed food you take because they are high in sodium. If you are enjoying my video, please give me a thumbs up so that this video can get to others. Thank you. Number 3, eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables are very important for healthy living, as we all know. Examples of fruits that are good for your kidneys are apples, spinach, sweet potatoes. They are loaded with antioxidants and vitamins, and also fiber that have anti-inflammatory properties. This provides great benefits for your kidneys. Number 4, add fish to your diet. Studies have revealed that fish, which contains omega-3 fatty acids, can reduce the incidence of kidney disease or delay the progression of kidney disease. Number 5, try herbal tea. They have been used for thousands of years for everything, including weight loss and full body detox. They can be used to detox the kidneys in order to keep them functioning optimally. They are loaded with antioxidants. They can reduce the risk of developing kidney stones too. Example of this herbal tea is turmeric tea, green tea. Keep your kidneys in proper shape by eating healthy diets and drinking plenty of water. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed my video, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please watch the video showing on the screen 10 best ways to detox your body naturally. Thank you.